Welcome to Aesthetic Stuff, where we're about to dive deep into 20 skin-centric aesthetic beauty tips that will leave your complexion glowing like never before. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, acne, or simply looking for ways to enhance your skin's natural beauty, these tips are your skincare saviors. Let's get started.
Start with a gentle cleanser. Avoid harsh, abrasive products that can strip your skin of its natural oils. Consider double cleansing, especially if you wear makeup. Use an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based one to ensure all impurities are removed. Exfoliation is key, but don't overdo it. Limit it to 2 to 3 times a week to avoid skin irritation. Wear sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. It's the best defense against premature aging and skin damage. Stay hydrated both inside and out. Drink water and use a moisturizer to keep your skin supple and plump. Understanding your skin type is crucial. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, choose products tailored to your needs. If you're dealing with acne, treat it gently. Avoid harsh products and consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Cover your skin with DIY face masks. Ingredients like honey, aloe vera, and oatmeal can work wonders. Change your pillowcases regularly to prevent the buildup of oils and bacteria that can lead to breakouts. Give your skin a break on rest days. Going makeup-free allows your skin to breathe and recover. When applying skincare products, pat them onto your face gently to avoid tugging on the skin. Use lukewarm water to cleanse your face. Hot water can be harsh and drying. Consistency is key. Stick to your skincare routine to see the best results. If you live in a dry climate, using a humidifier can help keep your skin hydrated. Your phone's screen carries a lot of germs. Clean it regularly to prevent breakouts. Don't scrub your face vigorously, as it can damage your skin's protective barrier. You don't need a dozen products. Keep your routine simple with the basics: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. For dark circles, use an eye cream with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Stress can exacerbate skin issues. Practice relaxation techniques to keep stress at bay.